Hello, Scott Leonard for UAS 231, Module 3, Assignment 1. Today's date is September 27th, 2025. We're going to get into the test card briefing. Let's get started. Good morning. The purpose of today's briefing is to explain how I determined the testing steps for this project. In so doing, I will discuss the test process and the importance of each step. The test process, as you all know, is organized into four main parts: the test equipment preparation and pre-flight test, flight testing procedures, post-test data processing, and risk assessment. Each of these areas for this test card will focus on lost link testing. The parameters we will test include the COM RC loss T. This is manual control loss timeout. The UAS should recognize the lost link within half a second of the loss. This is important since the UAS will continue to fly from the last input it received from the ground control station prior to the loss. Second parameter is the COM fail ACT-T. This is the fail-safe reaction delay. This is the time the UAS will loiter, waiting for the link to be reestablished. For this project, we will set this parameter to 5 seconds. The final parameter that we will test is the NAV RCL ACT. This is the fail-safe action the UAS will take in the event of a lost link. Important note, this will be set to disarm for the bench test. We need to remember to set this parameter back to return for the flight test. The flight test is not to be performed until I have verified this has been set to return. For the flight test, we want the UAS to return home if the link is lost for more than 5 seconds. This will ensure that the landing area is a safe area for test personnel and the aircraft itself. And this concludes today's briefing on the fail-safe testing card for the UAS Lost Link Test. Thank you for your time.